Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we're going to be working with this Tatra 77. So just take your sprue cutters and cut away. Clean up that sprue mark there. So there's the two halves of this card. Let's take this little wheel. Let's clean up this sprue mark there. That one's good. Clean up this sprue mark. And then there's this. Clean up that sprue mark. And there you go. You got those all cleaned up. Last but not least, for the sprue cutting, is this. Removing this support plastic. So, just carefully cut this away. Sand it down if you wish, but so far it's fine the way it is. Then, there you go. Get those out of there. Now you're ready with this car. Let's start to glue it together. I'm sure you can tell by now and how it glues together, but just put some glue there. Take this piece, glue it like that. Just make sure that it glues down in the correct position. Press hard so it gets into a good spot. Now I will mention here, this line, the seam here where the door is fine because that's the door. But this top, there's a line, the seam there. What you can do is spread some putty there, hobby putty, sand it down, and it should disappear. But anyways, for now, let's test fit these tires. Make sure we got this figured out, which way they go. Yeah, so I believe they're good either way. So the idea is get some glue there and some glue there. Then take this tire. Let's use the tweezers for this. Place this tire there. Same for the other side. There you go. So last but not least, let's put some glue here and here. Now just make sure that the axle, now I believe simply just place it in there will work. Yes. Place it in there. Alright, so there you have it. This is available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.